Mom, my big English exam is tomorrow and I don't know anything about future simple. If I fail again, the whole class will laugh at me again.
Alex, slow down. Breathe. Look at me.
But Mom, I keep writing things like, tomorrow I will goes to school and she will studied tonight. I don't even know if that's wrong.
It is wrong, but that's okay because you just told me exactly what we need to fix tonight.
But the exam is tomorrow. It's too late.
It is not too late. Remember when you failed present simple? We fixed that in one conversation. Remember past simple? Same thing. Tonight, we fix future simple, and tomorrow you walk into that exam with full confidence.
You really think we can do it?
I don't think. I know. Sit down. Let's start right now. Alex, one question first. What is future tense for?
Talking about things that haven't happened yet.
Perfect. Things that will happen tomorrow, next week, next year, things that are coming. And in English, we use one magic word to talk about the future.
Will?
Exactly. Will. That's it. Just one word and suddenly everything becomes future.
So how does it work?
Simple. Subject plus will plus base verb. That's the whole formula.
Base verb, like present simple base verb.
Exactly the same base verb. No changes, no S, no ED, just the clean base verb after will.
So I will go, you will go, he will go, she will go.
All correct. See? No S for he and she this time.
Wait, no S? After all that practice, adding S for he and she?
I know. Future simple is actually easier because will never changes. Everyone uses the same will.
I will go, he will go, they will go, we will go. All the same.
Perfect. Now tell me, what will you do tomorrow after your exam?
I will come home. I will eat my food. I will sleep for a long time, like 10 hours.
You got everything. Every single thing is perfect. Now, I want to tell you something. When we talk in English, we often make the word will shorter. Instead of saying I will, we say I'll. That's right. We say I'll go, he'll come, she'll eat, and they'll play. We also say we'll study.
Oh, I have heard people say that before. I just did not know that it meant will.
You know, both ways are correct. I will and I'll mean the thing.
I'll remember that. Look, I just used it.
You sound very natural already. Now, let's talk about something more useful. Using will for promises and decisions.
You mean like promises?
Yes, when you decide something now, you use will. Like if I ask you, Alex, do you want ice cream? You decide instantly.
I'll have chocolate. See?
I used will again. That's perfect. Promises are like when I say, I will always help you or I will never leave you alone. That's using will for promises.
It is like when you promised to teach me English.
Like that. Now let's talk about the negative. How do we say something will not happen?
We say will not?
That's right. We say will not or the shorter form, won't. Both ways are correct.
Won't sounds very different from will not.
I know, but it means the same. We can say he will not come or he won't come. We can also say she will not study or she won't study.
I won't fail my exam tomorrow.
That's an attitude. Now let's talk about questions. How do we ask about the future?
Do we put will at the beginning of the question?
That's right. Will comes before the subject. We can ask, will you go? Will he eat? Or will they come?
Will you help me tomorrow, Mom?
Always. Now let's talk about WH questions, like where will you go? What will he eat? Or when will they come?
What grades will I get on my exam tomorrow?
An A. Now practice. Make 5 questions about tomorrow.
Is the exam going to be hard? What questions will the teacher ask? Will my friends pass the exam? Where will we sit during the exam? How long will the exam take?
Perfect. 5 questions, all correct. Okay, Alex, let's fix mistakes. Stop me when I say something.
Ready.
Tomorrow, I will goes to school early.
Wrong. No S after will. Just go. I will go.
You're right. I will go to school early. I will studied tonight.
Wrong. Base verb, not studied. Study. I will study.
Excellent. She won't comes to the party.
Wrong. Base verb after won't, too. She won't come.
You caught everyone.
Because I understand the rule now. Will plus base verb. Always.
Test. Tell me your plans for tomorrow. Morning to night. Use future simple.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll wake up at 6 o'clock. I'll eat a breakfast because I need energy. I'll take my bag, go to school by bus. I'll arrive early, find a good seat. I'll read my notes one time before the exam starts. Then the exam will begin. I'll think carefully before I write every answer. I won't panic. I won't rush. After the exam, I'll meet my friends outside. We'll talk about the questions. Then I'll come home. I'll tell you everything, Mom. Then I'll eat the biggest ice cream of my life.
Pause.
Was it good?
Alex, that was absolutely perfect. Every will was correct, every base verb was correct, every contraction was correct, every negative was correct.
Really?
You just proved something important tonight. You're not bad at English. You never were. You just needed someone to sit with you and explain it clearly. Simple. You learned it. Past simple, you learned it. Future simple, you just learned it too.
Mom, what if I told you I actually love English now?
I'd say I knew that day was coming.
Will you always help me?
I will. Always. That's my promise.
I won't let you down, Mom.
You never could.
Mom,
Yes, sweetheart.
I'll make you proud tomorrow.
You already have.